RazorSync doesn't use a single fixed price because the cost depends on the plan level, number of users, and which field service tools a business actually needs. By the end, you'll understand how RazorSync pricing works, what actually affects the total cost, and how to decide if it fits your service business. RazorSync is a field service management app used by contractors and service companies to manage scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, customer records, and job tracking in one system. Instead of one flat subscription, pricing is structured into tiers that scale based on features and team size. Now, explain plan structure. RazorSync plans are organized so that each tier unlocks more advanced tools for managing field service operations. Lower tiers focus on basic scheduling, invoicing, and customer management, while higher tiers add more advanced dispatching, reporting, and workflow tools. Now, explain what affects pricing. The biggest factor is feature access, since advanced tools are reserved for higher tier plans built for more complex operations. The second factor is team size, because each additional user increases the total subscription cost as more technicians and staff access the system. Now explain what you are actually paying for. You are paying for an all-in-one field service platform that replaces separate tools like scheduling software, invoicing systems, customer databases, and dispatch management apps. That matters because many businesses compare RazorSync to the combined cost of multiple subscriptions instead of one platform. Now explain who uses it. RazorSync is mainly used by small to mid-sized service businesses like plumbing companies, HVAC contractors, cleaning services, and other field teams that manage multiple jobs per day. Now explain why pricing feels unclear. Pricing feels unclear because there is no single public price, and the total depends on how many features and users are included in a specific business setup. Now explain common misunderstanding. A common misunderstanding is thinking RazorSync has one fixed monthly price, when in reality it scales based on both features and team size. Now, explain decision logic. The real way to evaluate RazorSync pricing is to compare how many separate tools it replaces in your workflow, instead of trying to find a single number online. Now explain limitation. A limitation is that very small businesses may not use enough of the advanced dispatching and workflow tools to justify the higher tier plans. Now, simplify it. RazorSync pricing is based on business complexity, not a one-size subscription that applies to every service company. Here's the simple breakdown. Smaller service businesses usually only need scheduling and invoicing, while larger teams benefit more because they can manage dispatching, customer data, and job tracking in one system. Do this next. List your current tools for scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and customer management, then compare them to what RazorSync replaces in one platform. If RazorSync replaces multiple systems, the cost becomes easier to justify. If it only replaces one or two tools, a simpler field service app may be the better fit.